Hello, my name's Shirley and welcome. Chewbacca has to be my favourite character of all time, and I wanted to have my own realistic figure. I started by adding underfur. I thought this would cover the plastic and give a nice layer for the hair to be glued to. I have a full video of me attaching fur to Ludo, a character in Labyrinth, and I'll put a link below. So I'm not going to show much of this section, and we'll just go straight on to adding the hair. I had some wig hair and hair extensions that I'd never used, and they were just the right colour. I thought they would be ideal for Chewbacca. I added these in sections using very thick tacky glue, and it was the perfect glue to add the hair. I added a section at a time and overlapped each section, making sure that I also overlapped the glue on top of the old section, just to make sure that it was held securely. This did take a while, and I persevered, and finally I reached his face. I worked in smaller sections on his face and angled each section to make it seem as if it was growing directly from his face. I realised that as his face had less hair, the tacky glue was far too thick and left too much residue. So I chose to use clear glue here. It did take longer to dry. And finally, he was covered in rather a lot of hair. I left him overnight and let the glue dry before tackling his salon session the next day. I started to tackle the length of his hair and cut away in layers and to try and get each layer to blend in with each other. Some of the sections of his hair just had far too much coverage, and I thinned these down with a razor blade. This was sharp, so be careful. I spritzed him down with a fine mist of water and used a heat gun at a distance so as not to singe the hair, to give it a bit of body. As this is synthetic and wig hair, I could use heat products. So I curled sections of his hair with a heat wand using a silicone mat to protect my fingers. Again, as this is synthetic and wig hair, we can use hair styling products, and I used styling wax and styling gel. To twist and tease the hair into a Wookie type style. I used the heat gun again to tease some of the sections into place, especially on his feet. And finally, after 3 days, he was ready to be seen. I'd love to know what you think.